How to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add collaboration on Instagram after posting, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to add collaborator on Instagram after you have posted something, so if I open up Instagram, it is easy to invite collaborator when you are trying to post something. But if you have already posted something over here, if you go to that, let's say that particular post, and if you tap the three dots option, even if you go to the edit button, you can see there is no such option. So I can just tap the tag people option here, but there is no option to invite the collaborators. So unfortunately it's not possible to invite collaborators after that post has already been made. Now one thing you can do is of course just delete the post, which I'm sure most of you wouldn't want to do, but there is just no other way than this. Instagram has not added such type of feature. It's not from me, it is from Instagram. They themselves mentioned that this process is not possible. Hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.